front of me is OUKITEL RT5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by downloading this app called Magic Fluids Live Wallpaper from Mad Scientist, the free version. Then open it, and to mute the music, click on Note icon. Then select Consent. Choose this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those options however you want to. Now click at the bottom right corner here, choose Set as Safe Wallpaper, Yes, Set Wallpaper, and decide where. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!